Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 22b from chapter Heights and Distances. So starting with question number 4. From the top of a lighthouse 100 meter high, the angles of depression of two ships are observed as 48 degrees and 36 degrees respectively. Find the distance between the two ships in the nearest meter if first part the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse, second part the ships are on the opposite sides of the lighthouse. So there is a lighthouse, okay? From the top of the lighthouse you are observing two ships, okay? Now here there are two cases. There are two different cases, so diagrams will be different for both the cases. We'll come to that part. First, let us focus on what information is given. From the top of the lighthouse 100 meter high, that is the height of the lighthouse is given, okay? The angles of depression of two ships. So you are observing two ships from the top of the lighthouse and दोनों का angles of depression दिया हुआ है. एक का 48 है, दूसरे का 36 है, okay? We have to find the distance between the two ships. We have to find the distance between the ships in nearest meter. Nearest meter means integer value चाहिए, okay? There should not be decimal value. So you will round it off if you are getting the answer in decimals. First case. Now first case पहले consider करते हैं, second case बाद में consider करेंगे. First case, the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. So there is a lighthouse, okay? Now from the top of the lighthouse you are observing two ships which are on the same side of the lighthouse. So दो ships है, both the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. Same side means either both the ships are on the left hand side or both the ships are on the right hand side. Okay, I am considering both the ships on the left hand side. You can draw on right hand side. I'll show you that diagram as well. Now there is this lighthouse. You're observing two ships, okay? Now from the top you're observing, so you're looking at this ship, you're looking at this ship. Let this be P, let this be Q. Now two ships are observed and दोनों का angles of depression is given. So you are looking from here. This is line of sight. This is line of sight. From here you are observing, okay? So this is line of sight. Now how do you take angle of depression or elevation? You take angle between the line of sight and the horizontal. From this point, is there a horizontal line or sleeping line? No. So you have to construct the horizontal line, okay? So from here you're observing two ships, okay? Now their angles of depression is given, that is the angle between the horizontal and the line of sight, okay? एक का 48 है, दूसरे का 36 है. Which one will be 48 and which one will be 36? You can't just randomly take one as 48 and another one as 36. There are two angles. यहाँ पे दो angles दिख रहे हैं, ऐसे है. Obviously this one is smaller angle and this one is bigger angle. Correct. ये smaller होगा, ये bigger होगा. Smaller जो है 36 होगा, bigger जो है 48 होगा. Simple. So angle of depression, this one will be 36. So P का angle of depression is 36. Okay. All right. And Q का angle of depression, that is this angle, will be 48 degrees. Alright, so angle between the line of sight and horizontal, इसका is 36, P का 36 है, and Q का between horizontal and line of sight it is 48. Alright, so I hope this part is clear. Simple logic, the one that is far उसका angle कम होगा and जो पास में है, the one that is near, उसका angle ज़्यादा होगा, okay? So same thing applies for angle of elevation, okay? Angle of elevation will be greater if you are closer to the object and angle of elevation is lesser if you are far from the object. So same thing for angle of depression. It will be lesser if you are far, P is far compared to Q and Q is nearer, so उसका angle of depression ज़्यादा होगा, okay? Now we know that angle of elevation and depression are same. Both are same. We studied this in introduction part. So P का angle of depression, that is this angle is 36. So इसका angle of elevation भी 36 होगा. Okay. सेम थिंग फॉर क्यू, क्यू का एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन इज 48, सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन भी 48 होगा. ओके, नाउ दिस सीम्स कंफ्यूजिंग, so let us draw a simpler diagram. Okay, this is just for understanding. You have to draw a proper diagram. So this is the lighthouse. Okay, A, B. Now we are given the height of the lighthouse 100 meters hai. Now there are two ships on the left hand side, one is P, one is Q. Now P का एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन इज 36, सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन भी होगा 36. Q का एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन इज 48, सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन विल ऑल्सो बी 48. सिंपल. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू शिप्स. ये डिस्टेंस क्या है, वी नीड टू फाइंड. नाउ हाउ विल यू फाइंड पी क्यू? पी क्यू डिस्टेंस कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? नाउ वी नो दैट लाइट हाउस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द सी. सी का सर्फेस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल. ओके, वाटर का सर्फेस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड लाइट हाउस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू इट. नाउ देयर आर टू राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल्स ओवर हियर. ओके, वी हैव टू कंसिडर बोथ ऑफ देम. व्हाई? पी क्यू के लिए इफ यू कंसिडर दिस ट्रायंगल ए पी क्यू, इज इट अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल? इट इज नॉट अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. So you cannot consider this triangle. Trigonometric ratios you cannot apply to this triangle. You apply that only to right angle triangle. So PQ find करने के लिए there is another way. PB minus QB will give you PQ. ठीक है, PB पता होगा तो QB भी पता होगा, तो दोनों को subtract करके you will get PQ. PB is a part of this right angle triangle APB and QB is a part of this right angle triangle AQB. So APB and AQB you will consider. Okay, so if you consider AQB, this is 48 and APB this is 36. Okay, and AB is 100, ये भी 100 है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी 100 ही होगा. Now PB and QB is our aim. We know one angle, we know one side. We know one angle, we know one side. So we can easily find PB and QB using trigonometric ratio. Angle का opposite पता है, adjacent find करना है. यहाँ पे भी angle का opposite पता है, adjacent find करना है. Opposite and adjacent come in tan, TOA. So you will take tan of the angle. So tan 36 is equal to opposite upon adjacent. This you know, this you will get from the table, natural tangents का table. This you can easily find there. Okay, same thing over here. Tan of 48 you will take because angle का opposite पता है, adjacent find करना है. So tan 48 is equal to AB upon QB. Tan 48 you will get from the natural tangents table. AB you know is 100. QB you can easily find. Once you get QB and PB, you just need to subtract and you will get the value of PQ. That is the distance between the two ships. Okay. Now what if you have not taken left hand side and if you have taken right hand side? How will the diagram be? I'm not going to show the entire sum how you will solve, but I'll just show you how the diagram will be. Let's say this is the lighthouse, 100 meters high. Okay. Now P and Q. Okay, the one that is far, uska angle of elevation will be lesser. That is, the angle of depression will also be lesser. So P का angle of depression, that is horizontal and line of sight के बीच का angle will be 36. And यहाँ पे line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, this one is greater, so this one will obviously be 48. You can't take this as 48 and this as 36, this entire thing. No, right? Mathematically it is wrong. So this one will be 36 and this entire thing will be 48. Okay, this entire thing is 48, horizontal and line of sight के बीच का angle. So इसका angle of depression is 36, so this will be 36. and since iska angle of depression is 48, this will be 48. Okay, then the same thing that we did for the other diagram, same thing you have to do. Consider this right angle triangle, consider this right angle triangle, that is APB and AQB. Okay, because you need to find PQ, the distance between the two ships. Okay, so it's same, the only thing is mirror image form ho raha hai. Okay, so the one that I'm showing, I would suggest do it that way. Okay, it will become easy for you to understand. I'm not doing this way, this is also correct way. Now let us start solving. Let us write down proper steps and statements. Now we have considered the first case, that is when both the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. So just write down first case when the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. Okay, and then start with the statements. So when ships are on the same side of the lighthouse, AB represents the height of the lighthouse. Okay, so AB is the height of the lighthouse, 100 meters hoga, so therefore AB is 100 meters. For ship P, the angle of depression is 36 degrees, that is the ship that is far from the lighthouse, uska angle of depression will be 36, and the one that is closer uska zyada hoga. So for ship Q, the angle of depression is 48 degrees. AB is perpendicular to PB. Okay, this is lighthouse, this is water surface, so obviously this one will be perpendicular. Okay, horizontal and vertical line hai. Now we have to find PQ, the distance between the two ships. So we cannot find this directly. What we need to do is find PB and QB and then we'll subtract, so we'll get PQ. QB के लिए we'll consider this triangle, and for PB we'll consider this right angle triangle. So basically we have to consider right angle triangle, okay, to apply trigonometric ratios. So first we'll consider triangle AQB. AQB. Okay. Now we got the angle of elevation as 36 and 48. तो उसके लिए लिखना पड़ेगा that for ship P, angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Okay, write down full word, no short forms. Angle of depression is 36, so angle of elevation will be 36. So therefore this is 36. You cannot just directly write down 36 or 48. Okay, give reasons. Same thing for ship Q. Angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Angle of depression is 48, so angle of elevation भी 48 होगा. Okay, so therefore mark this as 48. Now we'll start with this part. We'll consider this triangle. Okay, now in this triangle we need to find QB, that is adjacent find करना है, opposite पता है, angle का opposite पता है, angle का adjacent find you have to find. Opposite and adjacent come in tan, so we'll take tan of the angle. In triangle AQB, angle AQB is equal to 48 degrees. So tan of the angle is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is 100, adjacent you have to find. This you will get from the natural tangents ka table. This is 1.1106. Okay, now shift QB and shift this over here. So QB is equal to 100 upon 1.1106. We'll multiply by 4 zeros. So that is 10,000 in both numerator and denominator. So ये हो जाएगा 10 lakh upon 11106. Now divide and find the answer. QB का आंसर क्या आ रहा है? This will give 90.041. Okay, meters. Now keep it in decimal value. Okay, don't round it off now. We'll round it off after subtraction. So QB का value मिल गया. It is 90.041. Now we need to find PB. For PB, we'll consider this big right angle triangle APB. Okay. So now triangle APB. इसका angle of elevation is 36 degrees. We have to find PB adjacent. Opposite is 100 meters. Okay. So opposite पता है, adjacent find करना. Opposite and adjacent come in tan. So in triangle AQB, write down the angle. Angle AQB is equal to 36 degrees. Okay. Now tan of 36 is equal to opposite, that is AB, and adjacent, that is PB. This you will get from the table, natural tangents ka table. AB is 100 upon PB. So this is 0.7265. Okay, just shift. PB is equal to 100 upon 0.7265. 4 numbers के बाद decimal point है, so you need 4 zeros, so multiply by 10,000 in both numerator and denominator. So you get 10 lakh upon 7265. Divide this. So this is 137.646 meters. Again, don't round this off. Okay, first we'll subtract. PB में से QB subtract करेंगे and then we'll round off the value of PQ. Okay, so PQ is equal to PB minus QB. PB is 137.646. QB is 90.041. Subtract this. So you will get 47.605. Now round off. You need to round it off to integer value. Nearest meter बोला है. Okay, no decimal values. So decimal point के बाद number is what? Is it 5 or greater than 5? Yes, it is 6. So you will add 1 to the number before decimal point. So it will become 48. So approximate value is 48 meters. Okay, this will come on the next line. So just write down PQ is equal to 48 meters. After this, write down the statement. The distance between the two ships is 48 meters. Okay, so write down statement, box the answer, and don't forget to put correct unit. Okay, now we'll proceed to the next case, the second case. Now coming to the second case, that is when both the ships are on opposite sides of the lighthouse. That is, there is lighthouse A, B, जिसका height is still same 100 meters. ठीक है. Now one ship is on one side, other ship is on the other side. So one ship is on the left and other ship is on the right. Okay, it's your choice whichever ship you want to take on left or right. So I'm taking P on left, Q on right. Okay, you can also interchange, it does not matter, distance will still come out same. Alright, now keep in mind P के लिए जो angle of depression लिया है and Q के लिए जो angle of depression लिया है, keep it same. Okay, for P the angle of depression was 36 degrees, so keep it same. Okay, don't change, don't make it 48 degrees. So first case में जो लिया है वही continue करो. Alright, so this is the line of sight. Line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, that is this angle of depression, is 36 degrees for P. Okay, we had taken the same in first case, so keep it same in second case also. So angle of elevation will be 36 degrees. Okay, now for Q, this is the line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle is 48 degrees because angle of depression for Q we had taken 48 degrees. So angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation, so 48 हो जाएगा. Now we need to find the distance between the two ships, that is PQ के बीच का distance. That is in short length of PQ you have to find. PQ, is it a right angle triangle APQ? APQ, if you consider the entire triangle, it is not a right angle triangle. So what you have to do, break it. There are two right angle triangles. एक में PB मिल जाएगा, दूसरे में BQ मिल जाएगा. Then once you find PB and BQ, you can add and you will get PQ. ठीक है? PB you will get from this right angle triangle APB and QB you will get from this right angle triangle. Okay? So PB and QB. Now same thing, you will get the same values. Okay? Because angle of depression same है, angle of elevation same है, height of lighthouse same है. So you are still going to get the same value. PB का value and QB का value same ही आएगा. Okay, so draw this diagram. Okay, first make sure you draw a proper diagram and don't change the angle of depression and elevation. Okay, so just write down when the ships are on the opposite side of the lighthouse, AB is equal to 100 meters. We know lighthouse ka height. Okay, we had written in introduction part. Now over here angle of depression is 36 degrees. So for P, for ship P, angle of depression is equal to 36 degrees. Therefore, angle of elevation is equal to 36 degrees. Write down angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Same thing for ship Q. So angle of depression is 48. So therefore angle of elevation is equal to 48. Please don't write E and D. Okay, write down full words. Don't use such short forms and give reason, because angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Okay, now we'll start solving. We'll consider APB and AQB, dono triangles separately. Okay, so first we'll consider APB. This is 100 meters, this is 36 degrees. Okay, now we need to find PB. Okay, PB चाहिए, PB and BQ चाहिए, ये दो चाहिए. Angle का adjacent we need, opposite we know. So opposite and adjacent come in tan. So we'll take tan of the angle. So in triangle APB, angle APB is equal to 36 degrees. Now tan 36 is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So PB is equal to, AB is 100 and tan 36 का value you will get from the table. Okay, so it is 0.7265, same as what we got in first case. So same thing, division करना है, PB का value मिलेगा. Okay, same division है. So this will be 137.646 meters. Okay, now coming to AQB. Okay, so now we'll consider AQB. So AQB ये 48 है. Okay, this is 100 meters. Now in triangle AQB, angle AQB is equal to 48 degrees. Now tan of angle you will take. Why? Because angle का opposite पता है, angle का adjacent find करना है. Okay, opposite and adjacent come in tan. So tan of the angle is equal to opposite, that is AB. Angle का opposite is AB and angle का adjacent is BQ or QB. Okay. Now tan 48 is 1.1106, AB is 100 and QB, we'll shift this, so QB is equal to 100 upon 1.1106. So basically we are getting the same distance. ठीक है. Now QB will be 90.041 meters. Don't forget to put correct unit. Okay, you are given this in meters, lighthouse का height in meters, so distance will also be in meters. Okay, now QB भी मिल गया. So actually you don't need to solve this again. Okay, it's all right if you find the value of PB and QB in first part and then you just use that values to find over here. ठीक है, so सिर्फ diagram change होगा. PB का value you know from first part, QB का value you know from first part, so you can just substitute the value. Over here in this case, instead of subtraction there is addition because distance बढ़ रहा है. Both the ships are not on the same side, they are on opposite sides, so distance will increase. So you just have to add the distance instead of subtracting. Okay, so there's no need to solve this entire thing again, but if you want to solve you can, but ये distance same है, ये भी same है. The only thing is यहाँ पे you have to add. Okay, so PQ is equal to PB plus QB. So PB is 137.646. This is 90.041. So just add. Okay, so you will get 227.687. So you have to round it off to nearest meter. Decimal में नहीं चाहिए. So decimal point के बाद there is 6. It is greater than 5. So add 1 to the previous number. ठीक है. So 228 First write down the actual value, 227.687 is approximately equal to 228 meters. So box the answer, don't forget to put correct unit and write down the statement. The distance between the two ships is 228 meters.